welcome back to the channel. I am standing in the tent, in the grow tent with the mushrooms, and today is Thursday, January the 24th. Now last Thursday, we just cut this fruit and block kit so that we can start the mushrooms to growing, and today is a week later and this is what we have. This was not looking like this on yesterday, and I'm going to insert a picture just to show you how it was looking yesterday, which would have been the 23rd. What's today? The 22nd or the 23rd? 23rd. Today is the 23rd. So yesterday on the 22nd, these were completely blue. They look more like this, and now they have bloomed and opened up a little bit more. These right here weren't as full either, so this is interesting to see. And then this is just the humidifier that we have in here on them, but I cannot believe that they grow this fast. So today is basically harvest day for these. So we'll be doing a quick harvest and cooking these up to see how they taste. So we'll be back. I just want to show y'all the setup. So what you're seeing right there, that is the AC Infinity, the humidifier that's on the outside that's blowing inside, blowing the humidity within the tent. And then up here is the air filter that's connected, and it's running outside of this little outlet that's on the side of the tent. And then this is the filter by AC Infinity. And then this is another set of lights that we have whenever we're starting the like seedlings or anything, and we just need that extra light. Right here we just have a fan. That's a clip fan. As you see, it's just clipped onto the pole, and then it has a whole lot of other outlets where you can just insert different things if you need to. We have this small humidifier that's here. I think this came from Amazon, but it's a cool air humidifier, and these are the mushrooms that are growing in here. And then we just have this little stand that just holds a lot of other different things that we have. And of course we have a surge protector there and one here as well. So this is how the tent actually looks. And that's another lighting system over on that side. So this is how, because mushrooms love moisture, and because this is mainly what we have in here now, this is why we have this going. So I'm just going to step outside and show you what it looks like on the outside. Alright, so on the outside we have, this is that little the piping that I showed you that's hooked to the air filter. That's what this is, and it's just, did you spray paint this or it was bought black?
Yeah, it was black.
Okay, and then it just runs out the window here. So we have like a window treatment that has the two little outlets already cut, so we just inserted that. So you can, it's mainly like if you have one of those portable air conditioners and you can use this, it's the same thing. So this is what we're using. And then right here is the humidifier. We got this from Amazon, and it's an AC Infinity brand as well. So that's what the moisture is that you saw, that little thing that I was showing you that was blowing all of the steam or whatever in, that's what this was right here. This right here is the fresh air intake. So what it's doing is pulling fresh air into the tent by this aluminum piping right here, and then this right here is pulling the air out of the tent into this vent right here, so that the mushrooms can stay with having fresh air within the tent. And so the actual tent itself looks like this. So it's a brand Opulent, and we got it from Amazon. And then it has those little openings right here. Well, I'm gonna show you this. It has two sides to it, so you can unzip either side. So it's fairly big. But then it has these little windows, so even if you wanted to just look in without actually opening up the tent all the way, you could. So it has this little window here, so you could just peek in and see. We've had this now about 2 years, and we have grown a lot. We had our the hydroponics in here. We had a lot of things that have been started in here, so it's been around for a while. So if you're in the market for a grow tent, this is a good one. I'll try and find it on Amazon, or a link down in the description, but this is the one that we have. I don't know exactly the size. This is that little blue humidifier that I was telling y'all that's blowing right beside the mushrooms. So it's a cool mist humidifier, and it's by Aqua Oasis, and I think this came off of Amazon as well. The mushrooms that we got, they are from North Spore. So we bought this fruit and block kit, and it just comes with all of the directions on how to get started with different mushrooms. And this is the ones that we have, the blue oyster and the Italian oysters. So it's basically just telling you how they grow, how difficult it is to grow them, and just the way that they grow and how long it takes them, the type of temperature, all of that. So that's pretty much what this little booklet is. So it tells you about all the different species that they have. And our next one that we're going to try is the number 9, which is the lion's mane. We definitely want to try that one out because we've been seeing a lot of people cook with that. So we definitely want to try that one out. So we decided to do the blue oyster and the Italian oyster for right now. But yep, this is what we have. And it's right on time because they say that they grow fast, within 1 to 2 weeks for both of them. And they are right on time because we just planted these. We just cut these fruit and blocks open on the 13th. Oh no, the last Thursday, which would have been, I don't know exactly the date. I'll flash it up here, but yeah. So what we're going to be doing right now is doing a little bit of harvest on this. So you have to pull them off in like a cluster. And so that's one little cluster right there. He said it was fairly easy to pull. You're going to be doing both of them today, or just this one?
Just this one, I think. I might get at another. I need to research and see when they're actually ready to harvest.
But this one said 1 to 1.5 weeks for this one. And I think the other one was right at 1 week. When we did this, it was January the 15th? Yeah, it was somewhere like the 15th or the 16th. And today is the 22nd or the 23rd of January, and we're already harvesting. So this is the harvest so far. And that's pretty much a lot. We're gonna weigh it up and see how much we have, and then we'll be right back. So this is what's the remainder of the fruiting block where they just came from, what we just had. And according to the company's website and a few videos that we watched here on YouTube, they said that we may be able to get a whole nother growth out of this fruiting block. So we're just going to leave this in this tent along with the humidifier and see if we're able to get some more out of this before it's done for us. So yep, we're going to head over and weigh these up real quick though. We have 1 pound and 4 ounces, a little change, but at least 1 pound and 4 ounces. And we're just gonna put them in the refrigerator and wait to cook them later. You know how like beef and broccoli taste? They taste good to me. You season them up real good.